Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.1, Problem 32. This is Section 2.1, Problem 32. It says convert the improper fraction 9 over 2 to a mixed number. So in other words, a number with a fraction. So to do that conversion, what we do is we divide the denominator, which is 2 in this problem, into the numerator, which for this problem is 9. 2 divides into 9. How many times? So 2 will fit into 9. As close as we can get is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, and then we subtract 9 minus 8 is 1. So my remainder of 1 becomes my new numerator, and the denominator, which had been 2, will stay the same. So I get an answer of 4 1/2. So 4 1/2 is equivalent to 9 halves.